Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi. Thank you so much for coming by today. As you can see, we're going to do a little testy test. We've got a Model 1 set today. It also came with the traditional instruction booklet and then a couple of things that are basically a waste of the Earth's resources. So there you go. What I thought I was buying was 5 cat eye polishes with a black. What I was buying were 5 polishes and 1 cat eye polish. So, oops, my bad. I should have read more thoroughly, but this is what the polish looks like. I didn't really do a swatching of the other ones because we're here for the cat eye, right? We're just going to do cat eye today. And I'm just playing with it right now. I'm not doing anything specific. This is my first test of it. I'm just seeing how it plays, messing around with the, I had knocked that over. I'm just messing around with the magnet to see, you know, how it shines, how bright it is. I really am happy with the color of it. It's got a bit of a hollow shift to it, but it's subtle, right? It's not super in your face, but it's definitely there. So let's straighten that out and then come in and do just the traditional straight across the nail in a diagonal kind of traditional cat eye thing. Look at that. It's super, super pretty. And I thought I'd come in with the round side and just give it a rounded sort of look right there. I dig it. I think it came out really pretty. It is so easy to see on the black, way more difficult to see on the other colors. It's not that you can't see it, you can. It's just more subtle. Okay, just a lot more subtle. So we're just flipping everything to the same side, and now I'm doing this little technique I saw on TikTok where you turn it into a French. And you can do that in other ways, but I found that using the magnets as like in a letter T shape really made a difference. So we're just going to play a little bit more with this. While I was about to start, I love this technique because it makes sort of a star. It makes 4 corners, really, basically. When I was about to do the recording on this, I accidentally clicked something and I realized there's a voice changer in here. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do some of the videos in weird voices, because that might be kind of fun. I did accidentally touch that, so I'm just going to clean it up a little and then redo the little rounded thing. This is sort of a swooshy pattern, right? It just gives it kind of a swooshy look. And I really dig it. And this one, I just thought we would flip the particles all the same direction to give it sort of a glitter look, right? Because the cat eye is really a glitter effect. So I just thought 1 full nail of glitter would be pretty. This is how they all came out. I wouldn't call this a set. These are all the same size. I didn't make them to be a set. I'm not going to put them on Carmen. I just wanted to play with the polishes. So I thought that they turned out pretty cute. I think I can't wait to play with these some more. I'm going to look up some more techniques and we'll definitely do some more looks with this. Let me know what you'd like to see. Is there a technique that you've seen that you'd like me to try? Tag me in anything you want to see me do or any products that you want to see me try. I would love to do that for you guys. I'm happy. I wish there were more cat eye colors, but all in all, you can't go wrong with the polish. It's their Inspire Gel line, and I really like that. So guys, we're going to see you next time for some more awesome stuff. Thank you for watching.